Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates that Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama told me that Hazrat Amr bin Auf radiyallahu anhu, an ally of Banu Amir bin Loy, and who participated in the battle of Badr in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah to Bahrain to collect tribute. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a peace accord with the people of Bahrain, and he appointed Hazrat Ala bin al-Hadrami as their ruler. So Hazrat Abu Ubaidah came back from Bahrain with the goods. When Ansar heard the news of Hazrat Abu Ubaidah's arrival, they all joined the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Fajr prayer. After the completion of the prayer, when they came before him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled to see them and said, I think you have heard that Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu has brought something. They submitted, Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Then rejoice themselves and hope for happiness. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have no fear of your poverty, but I fear lest you should become prosperous like the people prior to you, and you should become jealous of each other as the former people would do, and lest the worldly things should destroy you as they destroyed the people before you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4015.